So to make the first DIY, here we have taken 3 plastic bottles of the same size, and we are going to firstly apply a layer of wall putty paste on it and then wall putty dough. And after this, here we have taken a foil paper. We are going to make it in the shape of a circle, round shape, and we have applied the wall putty dough over it. Then here we are going to take a little bit of dough, wall putty paste, and attach it with like this. Now we are going to attach its ears with wall putty only, and also its face shape in the size of this much. Make some eyes like this and make a smile of it in the shape of a, and now we're going to attach its arms and legs. So now we have made 3 monkeys like this, and firstly we're going to paint light brown on its skin and then a dark brown shade over its head and hands and feet. So like this one is also ready. Let's move ahead on our next DIY. To make the next one, here we have taken a plastic small container like this one, and firstly we're going to apply a wall putty paste, or you can apply Fevicol, and roll it on the wall putty dough. Like this we have rolled it, and take some wall putty dough like this and keep it on the top of the container. This is a and painted with different colors, and our little mushrooms are also ready. To make the next one, here we have again done the same process on another bottle, and a foil paper we have rolled it, and we're going to keep it over the bottle. But firstly we're going to pinch it in the shape of the panda. Like this we have just made a shape, and make the nose of it like this one. Keep it like this. Make some ears. 2 ears we have made, and hands and nose we have applied with glue only. After this, we are firstly going to apply a layer of gesso on it if you want to, and we are going to simply paint it with white paint for its first layer, and then give some detailing as the panda has of black color like this. So these 2 cute little pandas are also ready. Let's move ahead on our last DIY. To make this one, here we have taken an empty Vaseline bottle and a plastic bottle of the same procedure. We have made the plastic bottle, rolled it in the shape of this one to make the hands and the body of the couple, and we are going to attach the Vaseline box over it like this. So we have already made the features of the man, like eyebrows, nose, mustache and lips like this only with molded, and also we have covered the body with molded clay only. Now attach it very nicely, keeping all the dimensions same, and here we have also covered its hair with molded clay, and similarly we have made the auntie. Now we are going to apply a layer of gesso on it first. But firstly, the main thing of the man is the tie. So let it dry, and now we are going to firstly apply a layer of gesso on it. So with different colors we have painted it, and this is ready. Thank you for watching.